In this week's video, we run quickly through our startup procedures and load the trucks that show up right away in the morning. We start cutting pallet parts with Luke on the first mill while briefly showing you how I load the boiler that heats our shops. We lost the control stick while bringing our fixed mill back to the yard, so we watch Kendall fabricate a new one. Then we show both our mills in operation one at a time and discover a setback that puts a hurt on our operations. Stay tuned because this video is packed with hidden gems you don't want to miss. So tell me what you guys are cutting today.
Well, Luke's gonna start cutting 10-foot softwood runners, and I've got to fix the truck first, and then I'm gonna cut some probably 8-foot runners on the second mill. Try and get caught up here this week. Try and get 2 mills sawn again. So be a win today if we do that. Pallet parts aren't very exciting. You know what? They're not exciting, but they pay the bills.
They butter the bread?
They butter the bread. It's like 0 degrees though.
It's not that bad.
No, it's been worse.
Yeah.
But it's definitely been better.
Monday was way worse. Now we gotta start up vehicles and things moving. Fail. What do you think, Mark?
I'm gonna cut it open and restack it and band it back up. Not much else I can do.
Take the lumber off truck, go to the pallet, slap it on the booty and send it on its way. This is our first mill, and if you're new to this channel, it's a heartwood double cut bandsaw mill, not a double bladed mill, Kyle. I had to get this on footage. These are some beautiful logs. Some absolute beauts. We're gonna make some. We're gonna cut these bad boys up and send them out to the kiln. Come back as slabs, 4-quarter, 8-quarter. Here at K&J, we heat our shop with slab wood. It's been a cold snap the last few days, so this hungry beast needs to be filled throughout the day. Good thing we already had the fire going, so there's plenty of coals. All we gotta do is just set some kindling down and then some slab wood on top of it. Always gotta Close the door every once in a while and make sure that pushes the slab wood back. That way the weight of the rest of the lumber doesn't hold the door open. And that's it. Probably won't have to fill it till the end of the day now. Water temperature is at 150. That's the perfect amount of, that's the perfect temperature.
Look at that, Kyle.
Yep.
Got your wood.
Hard maple, 8/4 and 4/4 lumber, kiln dried, skip planed to a 15/16 of an inch for the 4/4 and 1 15/16 of an inch for the 8/4. Awesome looking stuff. This should go fast.
So what happened on my mill, I brought it down and got the head gasket replaced on it. And evidently when I trode it down the road, my handles, which are all at the back, one of the pins must have fallen out and the handle fell out on the road. So I have to make a new one because I'm not going to try and find one and buy one and run all over the cities. I can make one in probably half hour here. I'm never going to use that for anything. Shucks, spin it around. That ain't bad. What do you think, Kyle?
I think that works. It's good and jagged right at the end there, like you said, catching your bibs.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. That'll destroy clothing real quick. Great.
Hopefully not.
Show it to the camera.
I'll cut this out and then we'll drill a hole and we'll cut a groove and hopefully it fits. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Ah, why'd you pick that up?
Trying to get me burned, boss?
Well, you wanted some drama.
Yeah, that would,
More than that. Might crack some.
you see this bad boy.
You weren't even here for any of the making of it.
Man, I had to put stuff away. Look at that, guys. Fancy.
I don't know about fancy, but it's functional. I hope.
And this is our second mill. It's new to us and a bit older than our first mill, but has less operating hours on it.
now. Well, we hit a nail. Other than shape, must have been some soft steel because that actually peeled off some of the nail here. Really not that bad on the teeth.
Didn't cause much damage, is that what you're saying?
No, not too bad. I think I can rescue it. Good, because it's our last blade. There's only one in there after lunch.
Oh, well, Luke grabbed one after lunch.
There's none in there now.
Oh, dang. Look, you're cutting softwood. What happened?
I'm cutting fairly straight, so should be fine. You're in my face.
Kendall told me he wants you to click this video next.